Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about the rim cleaning and whatnot. By the way, before I get there any further, if it is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right here, because I often do the videos on a weekly basis about the bicycles and what you can expect from my channel. So I always do the updates, and you can find them pretty useful. And let's get into it right away. So today, we have a fairly dirty here Pinarello. I have my Pinarello. So what's happening here in Canada? It's the early fall season, and some people may start storing their bicycles away because we're gonna get now a little bit rainy weather here, and some of them wanna clean them up and put them away. Now, what's happening on my particular bike? It's not an exception as well. So I wanna clean up the side of the walls here. Now, what I usually do over here, I use two things. I use my microfiber towel, and I just wet it a little bit with the soapy water over here. And what I usually do, I would just wipe like this, and especially inner side over here. However, we have one little problem there. If you look at these, the rim threading here, it picks up a lot of gunk from my brake calipers, and cleaning this part with the microfiber towel will be really hard and time consuming. So guess what? I have a solution for that, and this is what works really well. Okay, so I have found out that they call this white magic, or you also have a black magic, really removes the gunk, should I call it the brake gunk, and makes it look like brand new. Now let me just do a little bit of demonstration here. Now what's happening? You want to take this much. You just basically need like a tiny piece cut from here, and that'll do it. And always wet it. Always you want to get a little bit of moisture, because this thing has some kind of chemical inside, which will do the trick. Okay, so now let me show you how this thing works. Okay, I'm gonna you just want to go on the side walls of the rim. You don't want to go on this stickers here, because this is pretty aggressive. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's try here. Oh wow, I'm gonna show you the difference. The one that I clean, and the one that I haven't touched. So, okay, so by the way, you're gonna just come like this, and you're gonna wipe. Okay, and look, this is how you're gonna know that you're working. What's gonna happen? All this brake gunk will be picked up on a white particle that you're using. Okay, now since we are at it, let's look at the difference here for a second. Keep in mind, I only went here for maybe 10 seconds, and I'll let you see the difference here. So let's put this down and have a look on it. Here we go. Look at the right here. Boom, that thing looks brand new. And okay, look at the part. That's a really I see difference. That's pretty dirty here. And then again, right there. Now again, I'm gonna just pick this up while it's still damp, and look. Just a tiny piece, so you guys can see, boom. See, you guys can see how this is working nicely. Again, the more you go, the better. I'm gonna just zoom in, and I think this looks terrific. What's gonna happen? I always use for my bike needs, I use my trusty sprayer, IK sprayer. I also use my microfiber towel to wipe, and I also use this thing, which is called the White Magic. So what I will do for you guys, I will include the link at the bottom how you can do this at your house. Like, subscribe,